So let's go through our choreography. Cha-cha, new choreography. So we start with the Cuban rock. Then we have a New Yorker. Count 2, 3. We melt here into our hip. 3, 4, come back, and 1. Now from here we have a fast New Yorker into like Randeshasa. We have a 2 into Randeshasa. 3, cha-cha, 1. So when you did Randeshasa, this is a New York 2, high hip 3, ball, 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 heel. Got it? So no heel down here. Ball, 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 heel. Yes? Let's try it again. And from beginning. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Now from here we have 2 and 3. So you have an into check. Cha, cha, check. So you will have left leg forward. Check. From beginning. And 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2 and 3. Yeah, so in this case, because when New York is your right leg gonna go forward, when you do check, it's a left leg forward. It's a left leg forward. One more time. We have 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2 round the 3, 4, and 1. 2 and 3. And 3, you can have arm here. Now go pivot 4. Arm here, and I'll turn. Just swing this arm out. 1. Got it? Beginning. One more time. And 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2 round the 3, 4, and 1. 2 and 3, 4, 1. Now from here you have zigzag, series of zigzags. And 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Land here. So you have a zigzag around, then a straight line. Let's try from beginning. It's a new cha-cha choreography. Yes, and here use connection to get taller, not to make me more into the floor. So use to grow. Yes. And 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2 round the 3, 4, and 1. 2 and 3, 4, 1. And around the 2 and 3, 4, and 1. 2 and 3, 4, and 1. 2 and 3, 4, and 1. Now when you stay here, use your hands to grow taller. 1. From here you have overturn change. 2 and 3, 1. Now here, time step in place. 2 and 3, cha. Yeah, so on 3 you have to stop. So go cha, cha, stop. Cha, cha, stop. Not just cha, 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 cha. Has to always have a rhythm. Cha, cha, stop. Cha, cha, stop. That's the next section. One more time. Let's get from here. You have turn, 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 walk. Yes. So look how to do it. So you go forward, together, together, forward. And forward is the key. Forward, and then you close together. Try again. And turn, turn, forward, together. Yeah, close, close. 2 and 3, cha, cha, cha. From here you go again into this position. And now from here we're going to go into running box. So you will take only one step forward with the left foot, pivot, and you will stop. Now you create your frame and you're going to keep it, okay? You will keep that frame for the next movement, which is a running box. Running box. Running box. Running box. Like keeping your frame. Very good. That's right. The frame and running box, running box, running box, front. Now from here we have a series of zigzags. Together back, together front, together back, together front. Till here.